Yama arefo ne atefo nyina akwa ba bia bra so se yede pensenpensenmu beto aso ede amawo yede aso wage brenso na ahwe ba bia wo bia nyame enka wo ho na yede say the numerous TV stations in Ghana you have chosen to be with Adom TV station you can't on my Ghana dream on my Ghana pre on my impuntu and on my enkanko. There's another issue here. I think later maybe we can have a discussion around it. Maybe I'm going to say the way yes as a same way memohano. I know ya edin. The way as a same eto etie power Ghana no. I know ya edin. And I believe maybe it's time we all come to the drawing board and find a lasting solution to it. And no to asasia. Nenu nansa obeko no bi so. Yes, we secret relenting because the cow on his same. And Anna make us say, and now your baby naso kuteska be 100,000 episode to us here, or say a another 150,000. Who found because I know what the protect us as so on the best, especially a policy for. Kwanya met me after met me dealing with this challenge. Last commission. Hey, too much. And no, I'm to say please for aquache a year mranti be say Trazako baby along the motorway. Why chapel assassin been say cophobia could assassin say assassin your modiama just say ya shall say trian yani a boy in a coso. And who be sounds a mass ade. Ah? Yes, say please penny being so church. It is a yes, sir. Dear now be dear free. We need to stop it. We need to stop it. And yet, and not but toss us one crown crew Jim one. Ah, now I won't say yes. What to win him? So last commission pen for moon your combat me first or was a bear. Sir, and Sass Samoa Sabio, or Tano be Frababa Jas as Nefrin, because office or your ga, office or two maybe offices can be Ekitano. Let's try to put a stop to it. Alexander Yauchumberima, a member of the NDC National Communications, where I'm you're a senior lawyer. Hey, a senior lawyer. And honorable Asafo, a JMP for Musume from. And China by ye. And Chaminians will be you when you see your appointment. I see you about Anna. What do you want to hear? I am cousin. What do you want to hear? What do you want to hear? Oh, Betty, and China. See what I'm castle. I didn't let me but 2 a.m. 24-hour economy. Congrats to Dr. Randy Abbey. The acting CEO of Cocoa Board. Yeah, and I'm some appointment for so Elko GR. Some I'm not resign. Yes. It's it's when you know so congrats. When I'm going to my gun and number fat or pepper and some of mine. Yes. Me try with the and my watch. You see the audience that pass. Me dey. Ne dey that pass. Because the man involved. Someone you call the analyst. I'm just a journalist na ko. And I say Emmanuel for class prefect. Randy Ajay, are the next person in line is Captain Smart. Oh how? I want to say see the Juma Obia modern bonny day man. I don't believe so. Oh yeah, sure. I believe say President is making an appointment based on the competence Captain Smart of the person. They say he's making an appointment based on the competence. Are you saying that Captain is not? I've never said so. You see, President Mahama is making an appointment. Are you saying that based on the competent of Nipano? He made the point, or say, Randy Kodia, Una Oye media man, the next to go. And I mentioned, say no. From what I saw during the elections, Captain Yajuma, I the next person is Captain Alexander Jumberima. Bokodi. Mengare, so as a Virginia can be Bokodi. I ready to say. I ready to say. What's say? Abamu to say. Abamu. Oh, I didn't.
How many days now? I think we are about 15 days, right?
15 days.
And you go to crack. Maybe I may say, come. I'm saying, run your day. As you run a number, Casama for the final cabinet or ministerial list, main ministerial list. About one thing. So the likes of Dr. Maneboama, Sam George, Niamini, fellows of Sukwache. My very good friend, Honorable Akando.
Yeah.
Akando. Yeah, no, Kasa. And then Kenneth the J. Former Deputy Defense Minister, now incoming Works and Housing Minister.
Yeah.
So we are hoping that their vetting will also fall in place in due course. Now, so the likes of something was Monday.
So more approve them.
Oh, the approval.
Yeah.
So yes. Sorry. Once you are sorry, you just move into business.
But it depends about manager. I think the man has become an institution.
Oh no, he is.
Yes, I think he has
become. I didn't say maybe was there Adibuha. Sawopa. You know who is
that is it.
So we see any Ayama Wanga.
Sanity. I was for Jane. But some me friend want to say. Also, when I show in Munyam.
Bebree kwa.
Amen.
Namnyame so bebree kwa.
As a Fojadi HON.
Until I'm saying now, you know, and the good people. Yeah, man, you're simple, sir. Adaroma. And the parents meet you. Papa.
Amen.
Papa.
On the table of men.
And I will be forever grateful
to them.
And I would serve them.
And I come and pick you parliament. What judged them?
Senior Madawasi. Now, I'm senior brother. No crab back up. You see me, many titeho.
Okay.
Many netiteho ni na I say. Nyankophobia ni nanfophobia. Minimo mo NDC mo. Omujina elections ni nim ebo omhodin ye pa.
Yeah.
Benya baby akwa kwhye.
Okay.
Because omunya baby kwhye a ena me nso me pe bibi na me hia bibi na boso me frɛ honfo ahye me no munyam sei ehia bibi a me call omo ho akwakwagye.
Okay.
One of them senior
Chumberima.
Senior Chumberima.
Alexander.
Lawyer. Oye multifaceted.
Okay.
Oye police kakra.
Yeah.
Oye lawyer kakra.
Yeah.
Oye journalist kakra.
Oye lawyer fool.
No, me bonina, me into a multifaceted. It me ti hoy, and no one say me bonya me empire by 2 a.m.
It's also a closer lie.
Yes, by 2 a.m.
The powers that be.
Na ni dia ba. No,
by 2 a.m.
By 2 a.m. Say I will let an banana much.
Yes, 24 hours about 3. The second batch, about 3.
It me dem nim say.
I phone
na me so me dia wo mu bi. To other machine me bomb empire ma fa. Na afi so no. You see there is one concern.
Okay.
And no me raise parliament. There's one concern. And they say they are 2 weeks, 1 day old in government. Yeah. But John Dramani Mahama promised and say within 14 days, no forming a cabinet.
That also one nominee.
Oh, no forming a cabinet.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yes. It is 14 days, and we are even struggling to approve 6 of them. Cabinet anyway. So the first and a promise I will make it we fairy. Yes. We're forming a cabinet. Intermediate Mr. And see, and because of that, it's like they are pushing and running through all the appointments. Ebi crab by now, CV Grandpo and ready. And I don't know what's happening. I think they campaigned on the back and tickets or say they are bringing an experienced candidate. Oh, be a wire president pay. Now we name what it takes to be a president. All the nitty-gritties.
Okay, where the fetch me. So this is John Dramani Mahama's page, the website. As soon as I'm away. I see Mahama's first 120-day social contract with the people of Ghana, resetting Ghana. 1. Nominate within the first 14 days the complete list of cabinet ministers for parliamentary approval.
But from the sense you want to be.
Yes, I know.
Listen, sensible of nominate
within the first 14 days the complete list of cabinet ministers for parliamentary years.
Now, so that is a red thing. I can't bet as a
during elections is different from the things they are. That me, I'm telling you that. The point was that they were going to form their cabinet. Form their cabinet. And that's it now. It is not. Even if it's nominated, that be the last one.
Who is the 14th day? So who are nominated? Awaiting parliamentary approval.
No, so me person make sure say the things they said and the things they promised almost start failing.
Oh, how?
And no, it's not so the okay. And just what
never was say within the first 14 days, he will complete a list of cabinet ministers for parliamentary approval. And also, let us not forget, Constitution Mampenekwan set cabinet away from 10 as minimum, 19 as maximum.
No,
now the president, now the only two ministries are a year compulsory to be on cabinet: the office of the Attorney General, Minister of Justice, and the Finance Minister.
No,
the rest will be a president appointment.
So that is not in doubt or in question. The composition of cabinet. No.
Okay.
Me say what he said. Is that he will form his cabinet 14 days.
So no tea now.
Yes.
Different from the me pesa video ni
yes.
It's
it is rushing the entire vetting process.
Oh,
yes. Oh, me casting the credit. It is rushing the entire vetting process. Dabena, omu veti Haruna Idrisu.
I think about 2-3 days ago.
Yeah. Dabena, yeah, approve Haruna Idrisu.
Enra.
Listen, so no, me can't say.
Some of them, the proper documentation, particularly their CVs near there, to even get to committee members to go through them even before vetting. Sometimes it comes on the day, even morning, which is not fair.
Two.
Yes.
Members now.
Two members. Which is not fair.
So I think the minority members should raise it.
Now the minority members will raise it.
That's
assembly. So that is my problem. I am congratulating all of them.
Okay.
Most of them are seniors, revered personalities and individuals. My only problem is that the things they said and we are watching closely and keenly. But apart from that, I congratulate them. Obia, Senior Andy, all of them, I congratulate them. Very soon, I will congratulate my senior brother.
Okay.
It's in media, Mr. Say some of the things, particularly in the vetting process, due diligence. That is why we are supposed to do or we have to do the vetting.
Okay.
If documents need be if you be delay, we cannot even publish some of them and go around and do our own due diligence about them. Because you want to satisfy a certain promise.
Yeah, so we don't even check. No, we can.
You see, yes, me man go kind your manifesto once.
Okay.
And as a 120 days outline na me am contract. The entire thing is a social contract. And we the obedi kan ye na mani prem obedi akonya no. And only 120 days here. But the entire message constitution even say. Manifesto ni nyina no ye the social contract that we have with the entire Ghanaians. So what I say. The word as you read, I said we will nominate and as at nra na ye that also do nine. Na the 23 ministries are now also be creative. Emu asoafo nyina bada no de. What they ba? Can you say deputy ministers you are appointed in consultation with the minister.
Yeah.
So it's important to have a minister before you can think of deputy ministers.
Yeah.
So what I say, the here kase na the here di kan the main ministers. And then subsequent to that, we will look at only ministers in Bedin Komo, and then they appoint or they nominate deputy ministers to come on board. And we said all kind. I also congratulate. I mean, one more. I go through the likes of senior Eriko Poku, Haruna Idrisu, Atuforsen, Abuja, Dominic Ayeni, yes. And I mean, woman, the woman at Rimqua. Penifosi Dijawana, Yadi Aswam. We believe, sir, Mudo Wanwano have been there before. Atuforsen was once a deputy finance minister, Senior Ayeni was once a deputy attorney general. I mean, name them. So what I say, and they Adom Naswam Suma, they have been uplifted from a Biano Kane to a very high level. We believe that 1, they have learned, 2, they've gained the experience, and 3, they can perform. Ntiashe, the only na betwa by the Abuama or mining and Tumapa, Efra. Na Yakoyanim. As a for the guys on Tunabwas. Na Sebi to fight and pennies, a tune wine pendant, a blue and yep.
For penny, I shall say, take it.
And don't take it. I don't know what it is.
Won't take it.
Won't take it. Yeah, we said we will nominate, and if you have nominated. Also, what you for what is your evidence in a table? So you're even on yourself. Evidence at the table is in your walking. And wait for what? What about Mamma? Oh, yeah, they're an appointment. Oh, what will become one? Yes, I mean, yeah, so. But my idea back. Yeah. You animal new one more the Kamba, whether in a sector agency or in a ministerial appointment. My idea to be a mechanic back. The spirit of arrogance should not be part of us. The spirit of arrogance should not be part of us. Bible says a hand time do saying. And to say a hand time do so and I say a concern what you see. So we have to be careful. To me, I mean, the exuberance that comes with it. Come on, here, a dose who would trim and now we are trailing. Okay, so we need to be careful.
What do you want nation?
Yeah, arrogant. Emma, because I did my point, the MBB position. Is that what I say? Arrogance. Then the elder, they are yet to step in.
They not say Sus may hire.
No, they are yet to step in. Sabre no can. That
is it.
They are all about to become ministers. If I won't swearing in is going to be done maybe today or tomorrow or whatever. And the minister name will have been yes. Didn't he can walk because I must remember saying, but
before
I mean, you see, every attitude that you put up there, it's a character within you.
Okay.
I have known as a for not when he became MP. I have sat with him on platforms and communicate. Then the very first communication, you share one for the original TV show.
Okay.
Okay, good. Original TV show for the one morning. And that was where I'm not all planning. And I said, no, you didn't come or cancel or pursue contest for Bosmo from constituency. So, or your hand time minimum. But I can say, not as you are in China, America. You know me, we in the America. The Suba, when you know one or then, the Nahomra says that's calm, cooperative.
Into Momu a woman dada. Opportunity,
and I say, if it's a GDP, what do I say? And America say, do your Yamon modern say, or we be a winner by be a so by your penny secretary, or by your PA, or by a debate, whichever office or role that you play. PA. Whichever role that
you play.
Tone down when arrogance should not be
when NDC succeeds. Yeah. The entire Ghana has succeeded. Yeah. We will not wish them bad or doom. Because you see, the senior, Ekoda, a friend is Badwam Mpensenpensenmu, National Youth Authority. Honam percent.
I don't know how you are going to say honor the neko.
They mean can say honor me percent the neko.
Honor unya
honor me percent.
National Youth Authority.
Authority no. They are not authority. They draw funds directly from budget and consolidate. Into no honor me percent the neko. Me pe baby a ofino kwako stress say e man is can here there be. Hoy authority.
National Youth Authority.
You see na ye de neko du ho no mo. Ye de neko du ho bra. Yeah. Nema me be 24. Ne mama be friend tunifo. Ne papa be friend tunifo. Na busuafo be friend tunifo.
And I'm for tunifo.
Obi be tunifo. Ne momo ko do office o wi a. E futu obi so office o.
Okay.
It comes with time.
Okay.
And send your kind. When timi an share ho so nyame amwawa. Nyame amwawa. Oh, and the things we suffered, the things MPP went through, the despondency, among for toba, yen tuaba, ye nyese, bebre, was part of these things. We are Malinka Mukrebicho. Today, senior way briefly. Today, we are all calling the polling station executives, and a polling station 4, and a polling station 4, because they are the vulnerable ones. 2016, Sebio, before you call primaries, Yanko Tuaba, before you call general election, Yanko primaries. Among one, I am your way. Obi were envelope kakra, Obi were kakra, meboa. But we went to 2016 election, we won, meboa. 2020, Yanko primaries. And also among one year, sole kakra. We won the elections, meboa. 2024, Adena, 2016, 2020, we never saw any problem or concerns as major. I mean, can't say any factor. It was a factor. But why is it paramount and flagging this time? Polling station, 8 years in government. He is demotivated to even step out to go and campaign. Opia Bontin so campaigning so. Ni okwakoshia no abonten no so se na wo di party na chida dada no e de na wonyae. Na nipa nimpo embusa ne sa no nso po busa ne bibia. The polling station person don't have the capacity to even solve that problem. What is the point? And it is because of these appointees. Bebre. Omo ntimi hold the force no. Because of leadership, omo ntimi am planning scheduling of the appointees.
My appointment came as a result of the richness of their CV or more our party in the
super elections. For richness, net now where?
Office.
And for richness, net office. And now, I won't say Kakane be the resignation letter, and now me on train quani and money sacco. You're no person.
But see, you're rich.
See me rich.
And our already.
Your mama says, see me rich.
Rich, what do you
more? And this is to the way more rich for mommy. So you see, that is the point.
Okay.
Just same way in it has been associated to power, affluence, and it is killing giants.
But you see,
look, I'm particular about this. The piano, when I pray to God, I tell him to make me like David. Me yi matare na me de kan enyan no wo sere so no. Me yi nsɛn mahimfie. Anytime I see atare no me ma me mu so a na ma bra se chale asafo je na hunyo bi ha o. Bre ho ase. It is key. Because you see, sometimes unya obenya post na, the people around you even changes. Afi me eno na me frɛ me coordinator bi na me ne kasa. Na me say now they won't frɛ me. So no, me face so I busy. I say, frame me, call me. No, I busy. Let me not pick. Me we are me friend back. Let me who say my miss call. But you don't call me. Oh yes, I now create space. Now create space. Now create space. When you be about honso, na space na ye am na bunker. Ye rough ye be tum. So it is critical constantly, and that is one of the reasons. Me say we will come back December 2028. Going for elections, and the NDC people who omo sekprr afedi omo die bufo adenti na ombuafu because appointee bi okoho okopa adwuma o asem bi ye frɛ no ye koha ye say na the same thing na MPP to mu they would fall in.
But you to me because I think from 2000 and as I do and it featured in most of our elections. Arrogance of power.
No, we are always minded. We are always minded. I mean, man for when now
first 2-3 years.
Na started. So okay, it is one of the major things that is causing.
It's also not because say yes, so yeah na to the beer ye pressure no so e putu bi mu okakra because menim say yes twumunya position bia enye so wonya position to wonya adwuma but the busy level no any stress so ba benya position maybe say so ye say oh asafo jaba be member of parliament ebi oni parliament kra na ebi o committee meeting ebi oni committee meeting kra na okoko course meeting eti that rate atwe na me frasa for je menya no enye sa bi ebi enya sa orientation so a me betimi aboa me yetimi asa dynamics ne kakra
ma me ntu to ebi okay sa every person no be de land ne de ya o enye obi a wo political position say MP or whatever do wuni ba bia wuni mu no wo friend ba ko no amfa text.
That's true.
That is a responsible way of dealing with people. Me no tia ka say wasi wo de onim 24/7 me phone si mi no na silent ti bu ko phone kura me nsem say na me no gina.
That's true.
No be from it but and I'm saying that silent ni no ment. But at least wo send me SMS bi I can be me as me say na me frɛ. It could be a number I don't even know. It could be because me number but be a friend man just friend to what text me.
Yeah.
Automatically. So me free ya. I'll call you back. Oh me also send me text me na me also friend me. How can ABCD? And come on see the ebedi. There's a man in your dream term bia say. Some me friend na one fa no wakonya officer 30 na me friend na one fa. My main card be job. My boss on no change those days. On brand new energy ministry. Who might be annoyed. And you break from 6 going.
Yeah.
And returning the course. Because on a banner of what office one. On Saturday, you do office the by 6:30 in the office. It's an banner also going to because we tell you I was on the telephone calls and I count man out going home. Who did you so we getting in a go. Panin bi wa people me pese boni wa a friend one day bi I'm saying open ni constituency that say brand no no the constituency bi ehun kan ya issues bi ni tin no friend na wan dwe ampe kinti anwumere mo ye pon aye kofie no friend panin was like hey you are different ti me friend no wa dwe afa na wo friend back so wo fa say bra friend dey na me ye aduma enti say na fe na kwan dey mo ja me kofie enti no numbers na me say na my friend akra mako esu bampa you dey chase you dey no 19
I no ye den kwa
anything with me but masre yen sympathizers supporters and so say the habit of sir you pia ye ho diduo mu na yakogu one ministry bi one agency bi ye pese ehu chief executive ye pese ehu MD pese ehu minister kwazi ukoduru wono ebi a minister no schedule so no and na ebi obi omiti American ambassador omiti we obi anso ni wani meeting owura mo abet mama na time say oh I'm meeting for only 10 minutes
yeah
obula bi anko kwa wodi no nwie enti yenwie na bi ameduru so no ya kwatena ho aye kwa won free yen ye besere all this is a potential things that you will see ukoduru wa abotremu na so do twen but I also urge my colleagues in bia mo point when they edikan ba ne say hadwen a ho create political reps who will hold or take off sanko for everybody party for everybody
like a personal assistant
that be an or neduma kase pa ne say oba receive party people who will come to you or want to see you take down their issues for them to you or bring them to you the end the a be our opportunity is we not 10 days man for 10 days man no go e be antumi nyame obi an be an ba school bi so anbako na wafa na assistant no e wodi makodi akira mo no nya akira nya say follow ups no wodi ba be aye bunuma na ho odi ntimi na wodi na push na asili sade no wudi ni nyina ba wo so so na abaye ni nyina you fail and you get problem with the party people as well so what I say and sani mo be boa wa abaye CEO wa abaye deputy CEO wa abaye minister deputy minister they will come to your offices but this advice am dem would this we be boa why hanye say
personal assistant we no problem we admane super personal assistant admane so
why hanye say we no problem because everywhere we know in one ba be go say e bi kumba wo meeting mu akwa na for president Oh, so Jada, you know, to come as a president win you.
Okay.
Who can one and who's about to follow to reception? Oh, no, when you was open, tell me, you may not have that time or that luxury to spend about 5-10 minutes with them before you go to meet the president.
Yeah.
Who you found I said, you call
no tramo.
So to cut off this problem, get one of your personal assistants, make him or her to be, and most things, and when you call party person,
oh, okay.
Now, I mean, I'm just saying that for a reason. Somebody, I mean, what
so
the party
identify party for
what the party some nothing. No, hold you for you.
Okay.
Listen, at least when we say me call you know, an assistant to be shy.
Okay.
What see me harm and buy me been there me bus school some what noting down. What give me number? What so any penny bedin come on one for me. Now only back on what the who demands one pack.
Yeah.
No one gets back to the person, and then the person who knows, oh, me call and man once for you. But when you let me with mama na peka me was here musa manya call.
But I say
me was say
mama ko we mra ya me beto aso.
Ye ni say ya. E be fa. E be say we bebre.
Mula bra aso fa
Uko nyina sia 24/7. Babri salu o mo hwe.
But I say
nyeza o beto it.
Mula bra aso ya ba isi e. Esa makwaba. We efa emra bedwam eso na me mame eye se manya asembetumi mame kai adofo se yakopɔ yɛ adom so a memre dai na yakasa enuaba ekuabo achewa yɛ adom apa eyo no eba so ewo sunyane ntie nyine nkɔre nkɔta dachi na eye abusuafo se kai ejamfo nse eye oba pani ama echa eke mame ama jeme na eyo no so eduwa ne sa edu one month nyame adoma memre da eye 8 February 2025 ene de ma me beto empem ewo nkwantanan wo Asante Mampong eti yenko ne nkojam ye maame na ewusua empe na chiri kra kete ye maame oba pani ama echa owo me kafra ne so yenkafra abusua enwie ne nyina so yenwie ti yenkota omochi ne yenkokra ye maame ti February bosumi mu ene maame ye no ebaso eti as of Badwam Foundation we are say crusaders against corruption colonel aban say before say mampani mahama say before na so afon besuye no o make sure say obi etimi declare asset and liabilities enko kaka eni ho ko kasa na anum ko to plane na hu twi akwa ye de ka ne wo hodom asa kwa momo atiki office
senior me sure say ne omo kan out of place.
Okay.
Nimra kwan and most often me sure so omino are putting in place measures they be check sadie we. I say asemu maya hu se emra ho.
I say asemu tu emra ni ho.
Asem no ba na be hu sem na ho.
They won't din that body sire.
I think that the call no timely ni dikan because afeina ye form government.
Yeah.
And emra no so kire say you do that as a government official. Etino ansana ompe ho asem. And you see sometimes some of these things when we are truthful e boy yankasa.
Sure.
Ompe ho asem. Me ba no me wo akwawe kakra wa ha no we wa ha any evidence ni esi me kwa obi anka se obe ya ba adwuma untimi si da ye no kra obi anka da nti u ba be ya ba adwuma me be ya ba adwuma na me wie ni so no me wo we asem bad say nia ora ya sorry ya when they hold any of your assets you prove to them say me ban me wo we ebia ni amode mo nsa point ni kra no it was here before and this is the documentation be any uniasem me be di ebia MP ni so no nyame adom me see 2 bedrooms it is not out of place. We will look at your salary, we will look at your benefit and watch say are there no a commensurate ana. So it is not out of place. One of the ways they measure corruption. So okay. I applaud them. But you see, I think that this is a government that Oba Abehimwa was championing corruption. I think that I was said President John Dramani Mahama. I said that ye no share. What you say?
Okay.
I said that ye no share. Say obia mi bomudin. So mi jemfi mi bodin Randy mi bowe mi bodi. Munyina. Munko declare more asset. We declare more asset we are. Question the problem no. I war article ni munu. And no na me pese me hwe say that to be a bit me nya mu nkyerase ni yi ana.
Okay.
Whether we declare we are, would the best show and it is only in the custody of your friend saying Auditor General no. And now say I was so more man for minim senior ha Badwam because I have read through and me making it public.
Okay, yeah.
In fact, making it public. Yes. Yes. No, before elections.
Auditor General.
Before elections. Yeah. Every MPP parliamentary candidate was strictly by before you file with this you were parliamentary vetting committee.
Sure.
Or more than Yama to was strictly I was said would declare assets. Now the receipt ever. So we do it. Me ko ye me dey say oni me tena say fa we bra hwe we to hwe o ye ni na area o ji a no sign we a o to mo dey ato.
Yeah.
Asemu ba na ebebiem. Many times no I have heard, I have seen and I have within the grapevine obi ba be ye minister. Yeah. O envisage say ye minister na. I was say minya V8 baako. I was say minya Tundra baako. Minya your friend is saying saloon car
Tundra
C class Benz
V8
yes
Tundra and a saloon
me cry there na me pay your friend is saying
Tundra
and I said
Tundra na V8
I be na nye obi so no
the difference wo me ya kan ye nim ya ye fi o ye nim ni ya ka
ebi so pe ram ebi so pe and F150
oh bra
ebi so pe F150
your V8 ni ya kata so any on ya ebie echire
okay
eno na ye pick up V8
yeah
eno no Tundra no na fi wenya saloon bi ato
okay
enti no eno na ni da so obenya enti no tworo etutu so ti ase na fi okoa in pursuit or in accomplishment of nyama na watworo wakakoye. So the question is that say ye declare near trot ade no sa near the Attorney General there is no point Auditor General there is no point or way of verifying them sa no na fe that area I think it is a bit grey.
I think but the emra ne say o de ma Auditor General na mo won
Ontimi mbiem
auditor.
E yam cross checking hu say ne o kan ye no kra na say ye no kra.
Say ne outro ye no eye no kra say okay no was 6 bedrooms so ha no was 7 bedrooms so ha no 8 bedrooms so ha.
Onim content no.
Oh Debbie.
This asema ba.
Na ya twen e bia ya kokko. So that is why I'm saying that it is one of the areas within the law.
I agree with you.
Moving forward, if as a country, dealing with, there must be evidence to verification.
He must know
these things must be verified.
Yeah.
Say ampa. As of we so far me were 2 or single room or ha. No cre and then no cre. They verify, they find out, they confirm. Na fe ya dia to. Wachana asemoba. We make reference to that document. It made me there, me know me adwe. And na me share President John Dramani Mahama say, as soon as possible to demonstrate to all of us say, ampa, ketasese ne proye no wabase obeko. Na what to ase enti say na me start. Eti yera twum me do call National Youth Authority. And sana me do be call National Youth Authority no declare was it me share. Eti V8 bako. Bravo, your friend is a Tundra.
Me declare.
Na ya boboni na bra si dai.
Me declare.
Bravo, si dai ba ko obosoche. O ba ko si no. O ba ko cry. Na ya boboni na. So ti say na ya verify say no cry.
Empire no cry.
But e bia na yantimi an verify bra adwene mu no. Obesi dai wo si no. Patro. No ye future. Enti o kira o si dai no a wo be ba no na ewo. So I say, because that is the area within the law. May she say, moving forward, because in the spirit and letter of Senior Assembly, declare your asset. And they say it is not anything big or difficult. Yes, no, no assign near the so I am pleading, say I'm running for okay. Now some of these things we should advance it. If possible, Parliament grab it immediately. A friend say Bibia Babe support it.
Okay.
We know how the public officers can conduct themselves and some of these things to enhance it. It will be better. Here in Parliament say they are making arrangement for the Auditor General to come and then do so that asset declaration.
Liabilities na idea.
A cow there. Say be about Bobo say me and also share.
It's your man there.
I mean, what you exactly, but also na ebia said wow kasa odi kan kai ya ka bia ni wanko di se wo ebia but you see I think said all these things in my humble opinion no should form part of the constitutional review process now because
okay
we say we kind of company letter now say to address and fill the gaps the gaps be a room bia we should look at them imagine no publish say bia what ya the brew na the to crap newspapers monday I disagree. Oh no. I mean, you can't publish my assets. But you now you must have access to it. Open it. Relax. I disagree with the fact to say because if you are in public person. But declare that you didn't have a good news person. Now you body in very much or bicycle motorbike. I know I disagree. But maybe bet me as save the politician from the unnecessary attacks from the public. The asset declaration things. Only when people feel sir. As you made so much kind of unnecessary gain.
You are extremely. I mean,
what do I say? But said okay, you see so no be DMP ne opposite sit down on to sit down bibi ensi kwan opposite we share cab no opposite ta when yasa ban man low as 20 ka wo hwe na ho wade so biduma to atwija na kan krampo biduma to na de atwi ayisu all right nobody stops him I think for one venture wa miserable but the woman say to live an extravagant life be as a broso be no sabi obi kwa no see that now so no within 4 years no or dan be 10 was what to be hard was sisi bi wa sa ni man de e ba no sa the money said any be ba ho
yes
because people will start thinking is and now grab pay yes if you pay 30,000 cedis a month 30,000 as when as what time akuma 10
yes legal.
So they will now call for investigation.
So then, AU village.
So what they AU village. Those are the issues that people always look at. Okay, and again, Sadia medical too for the edican. I will also again advise me and then my colleagues as well. Having assets is never a problem, but be guided.
In your position,
be guided, okay? And when you first do your tea and where who is your assistance when you enter it, you may have it from a genuine way, but a channel be a can be near a summer time and say, maybe I know I say what could do, and Trim could do what that. No matter what kind of correction about subsequent. So, oh, and then the crow, you cannot one day when I say, oh, do tears on a pen and the castle and the car in your audience. One similar questions I can have.
Yeah.
I heard TV, no go from. Okay, so let's be careful. Being in power is okay. Having asset is okay, but be guided. Ne say stream na bebrebe na fei wo create unnecessary tension ma hono an na ya na question one. But sabi who dan ba na person usi ba kan ho what is wrong with that? There's nothing wrong with that. We be quite.
But do that politicians do that within your means. Mo criticize the man koye say enwan ba en we disike bia fesike bia machese.
Because who say the animal side the ban say most people ni bi won man na won ni say sabi o mo fanche mpani anim onya dwuma bia sabi na ebia party ne ba na ebia all of a sudden ya ba na be a board member bi ana CEO be na deputy CEO bi na all of a sudden fe hu say enima fe de onya obi ana kan go na bia na uba na ofro
nyame nhyira de mani pa yode fo
nyame nhyira mpa
obre dwuma
ye fa bi nkan no kre but you see one more chon chen say ba bo ba see mo mutum mo nkai
okay
and repeat
anu ko yon fampo
ubu same wow okay well what you say they will not remember this verse and quote it
okay
they will look at it from the point to say na way na tia way gari fa go be kwa yan nya na kwatena ko na ekwodi bi ana na hwe ukọ nfi aka ase ko wunyi ba mbo empake bi but not even na we are not of Uber. So people try to draw conclusions into all this and they make it look like say you and kawa more but for a party coming to power.
Yeah.
So what I say? And when you how no one. But say who you be did that. Because he now make who miss in the da. Ka papa no where we be a win car. Me boss be the kind of say top money be na tram. What you say live your life or not your party is in power or in opposition. Live your life. It's important.
But I think maybe an answer for yesterday question. Maybe the party itself na kasansu start taking up some of these responsibilities. Say because party need me for you be more appointment. Because me need say man penny be here without discussing with the national party. It may be some go for me appointment.
You can do that too.
Wow, the man penny with me as well. So maybe the party na can bet me afa say okay I'm not chum appointment. Chum send be a bet me secure party in Sudan because your appointment comes at the back of the party of in course. Power. It is also say na party name so ehunu. Party na can quite verify. At least a capital budget you should be able to bear that cost. Because na konya sa appointment no. Ni first secure wo, ni first secure party. So tell me we kura board near. Yet me kura ya dance e kwa de attire on switch.
It's not by law, but if the party taken by convention as by norm so be ya said no case omo ye bi no a. There's nothing wrong with that.
Okay.
I said okay no. Wo ye na sa wo disable party nso image so. Into a time be who the party general secretary with the chief executive officer of the party. Can just come out as a now because as of chief executive you have on this date you have na asset man declare on before the committee you say or ABCD wo yes you can verify documents you can make it out to the public for everybody to verify it and no be simua as I mean it defeats every other argument that is going contrary to the air course so what I say but I'm quite now, the existing one, say, I can declare my assets, put it on paper, let's say the money my one back at front. My only thing, up nice envelope video, we don't come on the other you know, but on my assets in my declare, I'm for me, I feel my sign, say, my declare asset in the better. One of the receive. So shit, you got the bank was
you raised a critical point. My name said, my choice of words near corrector. But Ghana, naturally, no. We are a bit envious.
Yeah.
Naturally. We are a bit naturally. Ina safweje ina amam for the minute dig obe olego no. No joint go olego hono. Still am call me let me call no shame sa na free my street no. There be a war inside Lagos.
And you know, we couldn't let you one go to I was saying
Charlie now all of a sudden
yes
we say safweje
can peace can bem
otiha already no. Ne boafu ne ni abre so ti ase so the community in which we live in almost so shade ewie Muhammad na hanum 2-3 years me all of a sudden things have started changing so they would also allude to that fact and nipa no adea wonim se ne ba ne no na dwene no ebro na dwene ne nti ase so no ya wia ana corruption so ti ase ya wia ana corruption so it is something we must look out for as politicians. Look, sometimes I feel that it is one of the vulnerable professions. Vulnerable professions. So
being a politician.
I tell you.
In Ghana.
Yes. Vulnerable professions.
Being a politician in Ghana.
Chum Tihe. He cannot enjoy life like he wants to enjoy life.
Alexander Yachum Berman.
CEO for National Youth Authority.
Alexander Yachum
CEO for National Youth Authority. He cannot. Me say
Alexander Yachum Berman.
They say oh stressing out with this exercise and they are absurd.
Yeah.
Some people say yes.
Saturday.
It is.
Ma chum Okay. Ye nyambo ni din cry.
Yeah.
Ma one ne yere. into kwankwa brochiri omo nam airport ho a ma omo nya bibia omo nya video selfie keke
wa brochiri
airport keke
Mr. Brochiri
airport keke no omo nya selfie no we on Anthony that is all it will take meanwhile enka obetimi afford it
me ko Brochiri that
obetimi yeah you see when me naturally catch him who say Charlie send me bread yeah baby I'm free akwa so ma ba me do am I reward myself
okay
naturally
that's it
it is a me wo ho a bia pen we na me conduct
madam me say
me person me to be ma me ho
you
do that and then
be yasa
asemaba
me did the
venerable profession
o china ya wada
Adom open na
ya be say dey hia pet from the boss ya me hira mo
wapo
say wadaje mo be say no wo hanom na amanfo
o 2025 Subai on Subai on
ya me hira mo nyina etorabo ya ni do achi e wo mra che bedwe fiem ya ni do achi e wo office ho no ye monitor bia background